Good morning. Today is June the 19th, 2024. I am Anderson Joe from Nuocai Optoelectrical Co., Limited. I'd like to show our holographic transparent display is a game-changing piece of tech. It blends holographic images with transparent display technology, making images look like they're floating in mid-air. Perfect for ads, museums, or car navigation. This display takes your visuals to the next level. It's not just high quality and crystal clear, but also super energy efficient and durable. Wherever you use it, this display adds a cool, futuristic vibe, making your presentations truly eye-catching and innovative. An interactive floor tile display is a super cool tech product that blends flooring with interactive display technology. By embedding LED or LCD screens into the tiles and adding sensors, these displays can show images on the floor and react to people walking or touching them. Imagine walking through an exhibition, mall, entertainment venue, or even your home, and having the floor light up and change images with every step. It's durable and looks great, adding a strong sense of tech and fun to any space, making the experience much more engaging and exciting. A large traditional wall-mounted display screen is a versatile display technology used in a variety of settings. Utilizing LED or LCD technology, it delivers high-resolution and bright images and videos. These screens are commonly found in conference rooms, billboards, shopping malls, public spaces, and performances, significantly enhancing visual impact and information delivery. They are flexible to install, easy to maintain, and highly durable. You can customize and combine them to fit large display areas, providing audiences with an impressive and immersive visual experience. This is the main frame of the irregular display screen that just arrived at our company. Our skilled technicians will soon install the LED modules and panels, and we'll have finished products to showcase. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.